My name is Nathan Thomas. I'm an automotive technician at Motorwork. I was working on a 2004 VW Transporter T5. We had this car in because water got into the transmission and it failed. Some of the challenges while fixing this particular vehicle were getting the gear selectors to align correctly and getting the shimming right so that all the selectors lined up correctly and disengaged correctly while the others were engaged. What made that car unique was the fact that it's a diesel. You don't get many of them here. This specific one was imported. It's a diesel T5 manual transmission, which is extremely rare. I think that we got those parts from the Netherlands, if I'm not mistaken, and they were complete gear shafts for the input and output shafts with new gears and bearings already fitted to the shafts. I really like them. Anything diesel though is really nice and really cool for me. I like the way diesel engines work, and I like the fact that they're so rare here in Canada. The highlight of working on this vehicle was definitely driving it after the repair had been completed. That first start and seeing all the gears engaged while the gearbox was fitted back onto the vehicle was really cool to see. And yeah, the fact that it had no problems after we had given it a major overhaul. Have I built a transmission before? Yes, I have. Not very many, but I have done a few transmissions. Would I build another transmission or not? Yes, of course. I like the challenge. So yeah, any day of the week.